Gold and silver both traded bearish yesterday, rather I will say sharply bearish. However, one important point to note is that they both respected the support levels as what we have discussed several times, 1940 and 2410 levels. Both precisely respected the levels and have bounced back since then. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Let's start. First, let's have a look into gold here, and we'll begin with the hourly charts. And those who are new to the channel must press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis on major global markets and commodities. The next update on gold and silver will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. That's always been a great motivation. And yes, you can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. It was trading bearish with the moving average trading with divergence. The prices diverge from the moving average. We have seen it converging, and it is still trying to trade bearish. Remember, there is a gap up opening here. That's purely because of the FITCH ratings downgrade of US, and that credit rating downgrades of the currency and the US as an economy definitely has an impact, and we have seen gold gapping up while indices trying to trade bearish here. So now look at this here. You can see on the hourly chart there is a gap which needs to be filled. 1944, 1940 levels are definitely great support. You can see lower highs, lower lows, and hence a buying entry I will recommend is only above 1955 level. Yes, it has to break past these support. It has to break past these support in order to confirm the reversal or the rise here. 1954-56 zone is a great resistance, and then we will look forward to 1960, 64, 65, and then 73 levels again will come into picture. Now see, the stochastic has dropped here on the hourly charts. The MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over at the bottom and now trying to trade with a bullish bias. RSI is looking down, trying to show little bearish momentum. On the 2-hour charts, you can see here, see, first of all, on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows are seen in the candles. However, the body size is getting diminished. I will definitely watch out for in the next candle. See, also this is almost double top, which means prices fail to stay bullish, and we have seen a drop here. And hence this makes 1954-56 is a critical zone for gold to break past by. Also look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence and certainly showing bearishness as of now. Stochastic looking down. MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. And see, this is again looking at bottom, and possibly a crossover will bring more bullishness here. RSI at bottom, trying to look downwards for the bearishness is indicated there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, you'll observe, see, the highs there, drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower lows. But see, the drop here and here is getting diminished. This suggests that the bearishness is also getting diminished here. One important point is that yes, 1940 is definitely proving out to be a great support. Now if you connect the dots here, the highs here are getting limited at 1970-73 zone again. Also, if you look at here, see, previous two candles is almost a double top levels, and since then we have seen it trading bearish. And the moving average crossover is also a bearish sign. Let's see if it tries to converge till towards the moving average, that is at around 1958-60 levels. Stochastic rising here from the bottom. MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI is almost placed at bottom. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts also, see the move here and here. These are 3 bearish moves here. This was in one single candle. This is in stepped candles. There are multiple candles here. But see, the bearishness is getting diminished. That is one important point here. And on the 4-hour charts, this zone is here at 1955-60 is the next critical zone for it to break past by. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is still trading bearish on the 4-hour charts. And see, if you look at the formation here, first wave, second wave, third wave, now fourth wave rising, and this time if it breaks, it is going to be a good rise. See, 4 waves are done. Fifth wave I do not expect, and hence I will wait for it to converge crossover, which means couple or more green candles are required from here. RSI looking downwards, indicating or suggesting slight bearishness. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts here, now see, I have shown this multiple times earlier. I am showing again. See, this was the consolidation. Since then, the pole here and you can see it is forming a nice flag here. Now a breakout above 1980 is what I will look forward to, because see, this is still a bullish flag formation, and a breakout above 1980 will further call for more bullishness there, and hence you should be cautious of those levels in the near term. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see here you can see moving averages have crossed over and trading with divergence. This is still trading bullish. At the same time now, both have started to look downwards. All credits to these two red candles here. Now if you look at the preceding candle was a big red candle. It has left a tail on the downside, and that is why we can see it is starting to form a red candle. However, I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around double bottom at 1940 levels. Taking the support, it can possibly bounce back. This is also equally possible. You can see a lower highs, lower lows, and the support here is very important, as it is still forming a flag here. It should not breach the flag, which right now I will recommend only breaking below 1930 is where the flag is breached, and you should say that it is reversed, it is going to crash more, because below 1930 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic looking down, MACD on the daily charts has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, and see, this crossover is coming at a slightly lower levels, and it is still room for it to continue the upward momentum. RSI is also looking down. Considering for the day, I will recommend you to buy gold only and only if you see gold trading above 1954-56 zone, very important, and then 1960 level. See, this is the complete level 1954 to 60 where we are going to see maximum resistance now for gold for today. Beyond 1960 we may see it flying high, and in the near term for this week we have to watch out for 1980 levels. Any breakout beyond that certainly should be treated as a bullish momentum, bullish breakout. On the downside, where you should sell, see, you can sell at 1944, but then if you are selling at 1944, that's still risky till 1940 levels. 1940, 1937, 1930 are three levels which are going to give gold a very good support. Until the time these as long as these levels are respected, possibly we can see it bouncing back. 1940 is definitely a strong support level, so take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, silver on the hourly chart, sharp bearish move here, consolidation, then this breakout, lower highs, then again a drop, and still these levels are respected. The lows here at around 2410 is respected. That is very important point to note, and hence a bearishness in silver is only and only if it trades below 2410 levels. At the same time, you can also look at 2440 is a great resistance, and we have discussed that 2450-60 zone till 2460 silver has got very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly high. For the day, I will recommend to buy silver only if you see it trading about 2440. And then again, what you can expect, see on the hourly charts, lower highs, lower lows. See, this time again it is trading in this channel. The support on the downside, if it breaks below 2410, you will find 2395, 2380 levels, very strong support, and then 2350 will be seen. Also on the upside, the resistance is at 2480. Also now look at the hourly charts. Moving averages trading with divergence and bearishness here. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over for a buy entry. Let's see if it continues with the divergence. RSI looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour charts. So you can see now the angle here and here is changed. The bearishness, the lows here and here are almost same, suggests that the bearishness certainly getting diminished. Possibly a reversal can be expected later, if not today, possibly tomorrow. Stochastic trying to look down here near to top. MACD, if you look at MACD, first wave, second wave, third wave. So if it crosses over, it can try to pull the prices, lift the prices up. RSI looking down, and on the 3-hour charts, yes, moving averages are slightly bearish. Prices tried to touch these levels once but failed to break above, and hence this zone in between 2440 to 50 is a good resistance level. So yes, a buy entry at 2440 can be taken, but should be traded with caution till 2480, $25 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover. RSI is looking down, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see red candles retracement, a reversal sign is there, and this could be still treated as a retracement once the next candle tries to fly above 2440 levels, break past 2460. You can treat this as a reversal here. You can treat this as a reversal, and then double top levels again can be expected, which means which it can try to fly past $25 levels also. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to trade with bearish bias, RSI looking down. Coming to the on the daily chart, see moving average is crossed over here. It is trading with a bullish bias. Prices diverge from the moving average. We have seen it converging here. Second, the strong pole is created and then this flag formation. So it is still giving you a bullish flag. Any move above 25 is where it should be treated as a confirmation of rise and reversal, and hence these levels one should be cautious of. If you look at the stochastic, this is almost at bottom levels. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness here. Now if you look at the formation, see first wave, second wave, third wave, possibly I will wait for the crossover here. RSI is also looking down, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to this, for the day, I will recommend you to sell silver only at 2410 levels, but then 2395, 2380, 2350. Till here, very good support exists. Yes, you should be watchful at least till 2380 levels. It can possibly give you a bounce back. On the upside, you can buy here at 2440 levels, but then 2460 is what you should watch out for. Very strong resistance at 2460, 2480 and 25. About 25 is where you should treat this as the breakout, and it is going to fly high. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session to watch that update also. Thank you.